Hello everyone and welcome back to SoCalerific. We are here at Knott Scary Farm for round 2. I am here with my sister. She has never been, so this is her first time at Knott Scary Farm. We don't have a lot of time today, so we're gonna see what we are able to do. And also, I am filming on my phone because I couldn't bring my camera today, so hopefully you guys can hear me. But we're definitely gonna do some mazes, do some scare zones, so come along and let's go. We gotta go through the ghost town scare zone. One of the best scare zones here. Are you ready? Yes. All right, we are starting with Grimoire. We gotta come to this maze first because it does get pretty packed, especially with the pre-show, so we're gonna do this one first.
Where brothers fight brothers, where blood runs thicker than nightmares, where screams of mortals in war are filled with pain. A world where being thankful is filled with a thirst for blood. Grimoire, Grimoire, damn these souls to our cages through dying breath. Brothers fight brothers, where blood runs thicker than nightmares.
A world where screams of mortals and war are filled with pain.
Tight over here. Okay, what did you think?
I like that.
It was like that. It was good, huh?
I thought someone was coming behind there. It was scary. It was pretty good.
The Grimoire. Grimoire.
Oh, so since the day we hung up by the neck.
Time for origins. Curse of Calico. They even have scare actors in the line for origins. There they are. They scare people in line here. At origins, you're not even safe in line, so beware. Into one of my favorite scare zones. That in Ghost Town is the Goring 20s. I just love the scare actors vibe.
What do you want, banana?
There's an easy time. Never mind. All right here. Sinners.
You don't need that sweater where you're going, Sinner.
What?
Okay, what do you think so far?
It's fun. I like it.
It's fun. All right, we're gonna go to the clowns area. So let's go say hello. I'm supposed to do hang time with all my sisters who are all here together, but I can't today. Whoa. So what do you think so far?
Scary.
You think it's scary?
Yeah?
You think it's scary?
Not. I love it.
Trying to convince her to go on hang time. That's what I say. Oh man. Alright, so Mesmer is practically, well, it is a walk-on. So that is what the crowd level is right now on a Sunday.
Thank you for being here.
Infinite reality means this time I killed Mesmer.
The darkness is taking fears.
You're not gonna do it? They're taking us. So You're going?
Your phone.
Oh, she's going. I got my sister right there. She's ready. Our other sister looks nervous. Bye-bye. Here they come. How was it?
That was ugly.
It was ugly?
Yeah.
You're not used to it, huh?
Yeah, I'm old now. I'm officially old.
Oh, no hang time for you today.
No, I can get on hang time. Oh, this. It's just like these.
This one's not as bad to
The
me.
ones that just drop straight down, I can't.
How was it for you?
Amazing as always.
Keep it moving!
Did you like that one?
Yes, I love
That one was better than the opening night. There were some scares that we couldn't see, and they got us pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Like it was like pitch black, and they just popped out, and we were screaming, but super fun. That was a good one tonight, Dark Ride. Huh?
Nightmare Before Christmas.
I know. We're gonna do Pumpkin Eater. It's its last year here. Let's go. Oh my god, there's so many. Oh my god. Alright, going into one of our favorite scare zones, but look at the conductor. It's foggy. Look at that chili. Where's the bride? I don't want to run into anyone. Ah, it's dark. Again, this one's a good one. You cannot see anything but a person. Ah! I can't see. I can't see. Oh, I can't see. There we go. Oh, you can see. Alright, gonna try the Oreo. Brought them to the Ghost Town Bakery. She got the Oreo cake slice. Let me know if it's good. I mean, I'm gonna be trying it too, though.
That's mine.
It's good? What'd you get? A Snoopy cookie. Classic. You love it, huh? Delicious? The ships are rocking. The ships are rocking. What'd you think about the depths?
It was good.
It was good.
The smoke wasn't. I'm not good with smoke.
There wasn't as many scares as there was last time I came, but it was still cool. I like the set. So it's just funny how different things are better like on different nights.
Brothers, sisters, welcome! Hello!
Be a lot safer here. Come on in.
But before I send you to the weapons list, show me that you are ready. Raise your weapons high! Join the king and kingdom. Tonight's a fine night for regicide.
Laser guns! This is how Daybreakers do it! Blood and blessings, brothers and sisters! Keep moving, victory is...
That was pretty cool. Like it?
Yeah. That's worth the wait.
All right, this time I was able to complete 2 mazes that I didn't do last time. First one was Waxworks. That one's fine, it was good. The one that I didn't enjoy that maybe I would probably skip again next time is Dark Entities. I feel like they need to change that one up a little bit. Not many scares, so maybe next year they could spruce it up a little, put some more scare actors. All right, so we were able to do every maze by 10:30, and that's because we actually waited 45 minutes for Bloodline. But other than that, like all the other mazes were basically a walk-on. Bloodline wasn't, but of course it's like a newer maze. That and Grimoire usually had the longest waits. I came with my family and they all agreed that they love Mesmer. Mesmer like was the maze of the night, so it's just interesting like how it changes from night to night. If you're visiting Knott's, the crowds are so low. Like everything was basically a walk-on besides the new mazes. I don't know, we had a great time here at Knott's. So this is round 2 and probably the last visit for the season. All right, so for now, don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button because we're gonna have more videos coming soon. Until next time, bye guys.